Hi, I'm Akanshya. In this video, we are going to be talking about Bath & Body Works' new everyday luxury collection. So I have got 6 fragrances from this range, 2 full-size ones and 4 decants. So the ones that I have got are If You Musk, Petal Parade, You're Cheeky, Pink Obsessed, Covered in Roses and Loyal to You. If you do not know already, this range is made to dupe all the high-end luxury popular fragrances at a budget. The first one that I have got is If You Musk. So this one is a dupe for Glossier You. I have not used that fragrance. Every single person says that it does smell a lot, like 99% similar to Glossier You. If You Musk is a straight up out of the shower fragrance for you, and it feels very refreshing, mild, sweet and florally and musky at the same time. It gives you that clean girl vibe. Also wear it to your gym and it will keep you refreshing the entire time. Petal Parade, most of the people say that it is a dupe for Prada Paradox, but some also say that it smells like YSL Libre. I honestly feel that it smells like neither of them, and it has this typical detergent like soapy fragrance with hints of floral and fruity zestiness to it, and it is also sweet. Yes, it is towards the sweet floral fruity profile. Well, I like it. I like such fragrances. It is not very loud or very strong that it's gonna give you a headache. It's definitely not that. It is also a fresh fragrance, but it is more sweet than fresh. Next up we have You're Cheeky. So You're Cheeky is apparently a dupe to Good Girl Blush by Carolina Herrera, and I agree because I have used that fragrance. It's a very mild, rosy, flirty, sweet, floral fragrance. I did not really like it very much in the beginning because it kind of smelled very pungent to me, but then it has definitely macerated and now it smells very sweet, kind of a date or brunch, lunch appropriate fragrance. Yeah, I definitely see myself wearing this while going out for brunches and dates and stuff. Pink Obsessed is yet another beautiful pink fragrance. Yes, when you smell it, one thing that comes to my mind is pink. Apparently, this is a dupe for Valentino Born in Roma Donna, but I disagree. Born in Roma Donna is such a beautiful fragrance. I have that in my collection and it really smells very, very nice. Okay, as a fragrance by itself, it's good, but not as a dupe. It's a little similar to Petal Parade, but it has more sweetness and more juiciness to it. Okay, the next one that we have is Covered in Roses. Now this fragrance is a spot-on dupe for Perfume de Marly Delina. I have a decant sample of Delina, and this one is Covered in Roses. They smell quite similar, like quite similar. Yes, this is a very good dupe for Delina. If you are looking for a nice rosy but not that typical tacky rose fragrance, you want it with a twist, you want it to be light and fluffy and sweet and flirtatious, you can surely go for Covered in Roses. Okay, we have the last one now, which is Loyal to You. Well, this one is apparently a dupe to Dolce & Gabbana Devotion and the Latafa Victoria as well. I do not have the Dolce & Gabbana Devotion, but I definitely have Victoria with me. So let's compare it with Victoria, because Victoria is a really like kind of a better version of Devotion. It's similar. I would say Victoria is more nicely blended because it's expensive, of course, and this is, it's light, it's fluffy, you get the citrusy notes, and the citrus feels more of like tangerine than lemon, and of course you get the warmth of the vanilla, like vanilla cupcake, and the gourmandy notes are there. Okay, so that's all about the 6 fragrances that I have. Now let's talk about the technicalities of the fragrances. The longevity of all of these fragrances is very disappointing. Honestly, it's pathetic. So you kind of get like a longevity of 1 to 2 hours. So yes, even if you are getting a dupe for your favorite fragrance, you are not getting the longevity. Secondly, talking about the projection is very mild. Okay, a person has to like come close to you to smell the fragrance on your body, and the fragrances do develop and transform into a more what to say, better versions of them after you let them macerate a little, so that's a good thing. There are 3 fragrances that I have liked in this collection. Firstly, you can surely go for Covered in Roses, then you can go for If You Musk, and thirdly I would recommend you can go for your Cheeky. So yes, that's all about this video. I hope it was of some help for you and you liked it, you found it informative. I'll see you again. Until then, it's me, Akanshya, signing off. Bye.